What's going on YouTube? I'm King Joseph, and I'm bringing you guys another video today. Before we jump right into this video, if you guys are new, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are on the road to 2,000 subscribers, and make sure you guys smash that like button. Let's see if we can hit 30 likes on this video, and leave some feedback down below in the comments. Let me know what you guys think, and let me know if these tips and tricks were useful. So alright, let's jump right into this video. Alright, so on this video, we're going to be showing you guys how to grow your YouTube channel. I've made multiple tutorials like this in the past, but we are going to get more in tune with it. So yeah, if you guys have not seen any of my tutorials or any of my how-to videos, make sure you guys check out my how-to playlist. I will leave a link to that in the description, so check that out, my friends. Alright, my first tip for you guys is create a plan for your videos. You guys are going to want to make sure that you have your videos planned out. You want to make sure you know what you're going to be uploading, what your viewers are going to be expecting. So yeah, that's one. Make sure you create a plan for your videos, create a plan for your YouTube channel, and just keep yourself organized with that overall. And also produce highly engaging content. Obviously, you're gonna want to produce content. Whoa, spawn kill, hold on. Oh my god, that was bad. Okay, so you guys want to produce highly engaging content where people will watch the video all the way through, or videos where people will be engaged with it. Like this video, this how-to tutorial, you guys are more than likely sitting there watching this video so you guys to see how you guys can also grow your YouTube channel. So create highly engaging content. Alright, and also, my next tip for you guys, increase your upload frequency. So you guys are going to want to upload constantly, upload as much as you can. So if you want to grow your YouTube channel more than you're growing right now, you're going to want to upload more videos than you're uploading right now, basically. So if right now you're only uploading 1 or 2 videos a month, you're going to want to start uploading 1 or 2 videos a week, and you'll see a dramatic increase in the growth of your YouTube channel. So keep that in mind, my friends. That guy just got blasted. Just keep that in mind, my friends. Alright. Next tip is going to be learn how to optimize your titles, tags, and your title tags and keywords in your description. So you're going to want to make sure you pick a good title. So if you don't have a good title, then it's not going to come up in the search, and it's not going to come up in Google search. You're going to want to make sure people find your video, and it's just not a random video that people would never find, and the video doesn't get any views for the lifetime of your YouTube channel. You want to make sure if you have a good title and a good description and good tags to draw people to your video, you will constantly get in views even 2 or 3 years later down the road. You won't even have to promote the YouTube video. So think about that, my friends. Alright. Next tip for you guys is thumbnails. You guys want to make good thumbnails to bring people to your YouTube channel, to get them to click your video. Because say if you don't have a thumbnail in your YouTube video, it's gonna more than likely you're gonna lose all the people that would have clicked on your video if you had a good thumbnail. So if you know what I'm saying right now, basically, create thumbnails. If you guys don't know how to create thumbnails, I have that in my how-to playlist as well on how to create YouTube thumbnails for free, so check that out. Alright, my next tip for you guys is to create an engaging channel trailer. So you know how you can create a channel trailer, and it's the first thing that people see when they come to your YouTube channel. You can introduce yourself on the channel trailer and tell people what your channel is all about on the channel trailer. So yeah, I recommend doing that. Create something that will make people want to come back to your YouTube channel, make people want to go watch all your other videos on your YouTube channel. So yeah, next tip for you guys is going to be call to action annotations. Call to action annotations, you can basically have somebody that is watching a current video go watch another video through annotations that just pop up in the video. I said video like 4 times right there. But other than that, back to that, annotations, call to action annotations will bring you extra views and will actually help you the growth of your YouTube channel constantly. So yeah, use the right tools. You guys want to use social media outlets to help people, to help grow your YouTube channel and to help promote your YouTube channel. Always be active on social media. Always be active on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, whatever you use to promote your YouTube channel, and that will constantly help the growth of your YouTube channel. So keep that all in mind, my friends. More tips and tricks coming soon. I just wanted to bring you guys a short little video for today. More tutorials coming soon. More gaming videos coming soon. Rules of survival commentary going to be coming out tomorrow, more than likely, so stay tuned for that, my friends. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it wasn't too fast for you guys. Subscribe, like, and comment. More coming soon, my friends. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.